Hello, in this video is a quick tutorial of our computer lab D405. This room is outfitted with a number of iMac workstations where students can edit photographs, work on video projects, and we also have a series of Canon Pro 1000 and Canon Pro 2000 printers. The Pro 2000 is a large format printer that prints on roll paper. The Pro 1000s are smaller inkjet printers. Each one of the printers has a label on it after an iconic diva. This one's Beyonce, this one's Madonna, this one is Dolly Parton, and my personal favorite is Lana Del Rey for the Pro 2000 roll paper printer. You can reserve any of these printers by using FIT's Book It system, and it is a pay-for-print system, so you will have to pay depending on the size of the print that you make. We provide some papers like 8.5 by 11, 13 by 19, 17 by 22, and the 24-inch roll paper. If you bring in your own papers, we would encourage you to get Canon products, and you will get a discount for the cost of printing. To pay, you'll want to log into MyFIT and use the FIT Web Resources tab for the FIT card. You'll put in your student credentials for your username and password, and then you'll enter the amount of money that the print cost. Of course, you'll enter your payment information, and once that's done, you'll come and find a tech that's working on duty, and one of us will ring you out on our POS system.